All right, everybody, on stage. I know you were listening. We've got a lot of work to do to get Frank into this story.
Hey, Anna, is Frank taking my part? Because it takes a really long time to learn my part, and I don't think he can do it all in one night. Never mind, don't tell me. I don't want to know. Okay, just tell me if he's taking my part. No, don't tell me. Is he?
Frank is not taking your part, Harry.
Oh, good.
He's going to take my part, isn't he? He's going to play the villain. He's already got the perfect mustache for it.
He does have a perfect mustache, but he's not taking your part.
Well, what part are you going to play then, Anna?
Oh, what is it? Technical is on fire!
Remember, you're my little scrapper, and you're not a replacement.
And I just wanted to say thank you for saving the lightning bug. Franck told me what you did.
You can save your thank yous. We only helped you because we didn't want the fire spreading to our theater.
Was anyone hurt?
No, everyone got out in time.
Well, how did the fire start?
I don't know. I was on a dinner break, and I guess our projectionist didn't really know how flammable celluloid really is. Anyway, the projector jammed, the lamp heated the film, and it burst into flames. Not too much was damaged, though, just the projector, the rear wall, a bunch of film. Nothing money can't replace.
Oh, that's fascinating. Now, if you'll excuse us, we have a rehearsal to conduct.
Really, Anna, thank you.
Boy, you really are thick. I don't know what you got up in that head of yours. That's cellulite, or it's just like celluloid. So you better get out of here before you catch fire.
All right, I'm going. I just wanted to give you these.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Ooh, I should have let him burn.
No, Anna, we did the right thing.
I don't know which is worse. Nick Lightning on my own conscience. Come on, Ellie. Let's see if we can buy more time from the landlord.
So, Charles, just hanging with Florance.
Anna, are you here? I mean, Anna, are you here? Oh, that was a close one. Well, sir, she's quite a girl you raised. Can't believe she saved my neck. I hope she can just let go of you long enough to see me, the real me. Actually, she's gonna hate me even more when she finds out who I really am, isn't she? I don't know how you wore one of these things for so long. They're itchy.
Can you believe that?
Actually, yeah, because earlier he sang this song where he revealed his identity, and I played it for him. So I know this whole time.
And in here is the stage. We just painted the floor a few weeks ago. And the
No,
lights and
like I said before, I don't need a tour. I just need my rent money, please.
Oh, how rude of me I haven't introduced you to the actors that depend on this place for their livelihood.
No,
This is
thank you.
Florance and...
That's fine. I don't really care. I just care about money. Yes.
If you could just give us a little bit more time. We're working with a new, exciting show that
I mind if I give you a bit of free advice, Miss Hale? I feel like melodramas are a bit old-fashioned. If you ask me, live theater's days are numbered. I mean, you have seen the moving picture. Next door, the Nickelodeon. It's sweeping the nation, as they say. In fact, that Nick Lightning fellow, he knows his stuff, and he's up with the times. And believe it or not, he pays his rent every single time, on time. I never have to even worry about it. So, yes, I'm afraid I can give you until next Tuesday, and then I'm afraid I'm going to have to sack you, which is British for kick you out.
I got it.
Ah, yes. Oh, what a nice mustache you have, sir. Yes, very good.
Oh, hello, Ron.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Oh, not to worry. You're just in time, actually.
To be evicted? Evicted?
Yeah, we gotta come up with the rent money by next week or we're out.
Well, what are we going to do?
You know, Frank, I've never heard an accent quite like yours before. Where exactly did you say you were from?
Then Sweetwareland. Can we get the money before then?
Yes, but in order to do that, we have to pack the house for at least one performance. And let's face it, it's been a long time since that's happened.
Well, don't worry. At least we still have Frank's big name.
True, but the only ones that even know he's here are the ones that saw it out on our sign. And it takes about 2 weeks for the word to get out. We don't have any money to advertise. Maybe the landlord was right, we are old-fashioned.
Nonsense. Perhaps there's something that I can do. I just happen to have a friend in the newspaper.
How is that supposed to help?
Maybe he can do a story on the theater and how it's in danger of closing its doors.
Do you think he would?
Sure, but the newspapers work on deadlines. In order to get it in tomorrow's edition, we need to go down there right now and tell him face to face. I'll go talk to him.
No, we gotta get you into the show. Here is your, costume. It's a prisoner's outfit. We figured you could be dastardly a Dan's assistant who just broke out of jail. I don't know, you guys work on it and I'll go talk to your friend at the paper. What's your friend's name?
William!
Okay. William what?
Lightning!
What?
William Lightning!
Lightning, as in the lightning bug?
There is
Lightning?
no relation, as far as you know.
Oh.
And don't forget to mention mention my name, Frank Frodenheimer.
Okay.
It's a good thing you've got a friend at the paper.
Yes, and quite the coincidence that he happens to have the same last name as our arch enemy.
Yes, quite. But I wouldn't call him our arch enemy. I don't even know if he's a regular enemy.
Well, we better get to work.
Yeah, you better check and see if that costume fits.
It all looks about right.
Not bad.
No, you look just like a prisoner. But don't worry, the truth shall set you free.
Don't you think it looks a little too big?
No, frankly, you look good in stripes, Nick.
Thank you, I always thought... Wait, what did you say?
I said, you better get used to wearing those stripes, Nick. The state of Pennsylvania doesn't look too highly on fraud, Nick.
How long have you known?
Oh, since the other night when you bore your soul to the theater.
No, I mean, I can't believe I didn't see it before.
What?
I mean, this whole time you're a better actor than I thought.
What?
When Emma finds out, she's gonna murderize you. Dead!
What are you talking about?
I'm sorry, I just always wanted to be a stage actor.
Oh, hey, Nick. Where's Frank?
You idiot! He is Frank!
Oh, I'm telling.
I wish you wouldn't.
You give us one reason why we shouldn't tell Anna the second she gets back.
Because she's wonderful, and I'm a two-face. Oh, Anna's great, this ain't her fate, to learn her actor and play it straight. I'm Lover's case, I'm a disgrace, oh, I'm a two-face.
Well, we prefer that you tell her that her best actor is an imposter. But if you can't, we will all chant, you are a two-face.
I understand your outrage, I'll tell her in my time.
You're desecrating our stage, and we all think you're spine.
It seems you got me way up a tall tree.
Our fellow actor, the light he does see. What do you say? Tell her today, you are a two-face.
Soon to be three-faced.
Now that I'm hairless, I'm rather fearless. What if she hates me?
We could not care less.
It's inhumanity.